I have a question. Marcus, where are you going?
Philippines.
Yay. This is Miguel's meal, Dad. This one. And also this one. Show Daddy your breakfast. He's got yogurt and then cheese and fruit and croissant. And this one, what is this? And it is hot cake. Wow.
What's that name?
That I'm not sure what that is. So yummy. Marcus is eating cheese. We got the same food. No, this is the way out. Look, there's an exit sign. Where are you guys? Where are you now?
Cebu.
Where are we going tomorrow?
We're gonna fly to Davao. Go to
La 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 la. Where's the plane, Nak?
Oh, my God.
Yep. Tita Rai Rai. That's Tita Rai.
Uy! Nabot na day mo?
Sundo ka na mo.
Uy! Uy, what happened?
Nakatulugo naman,
Good.
good.
Patay kay tita ni Love Tita Darling.
Tita Rai. Huwag mo mo. Frog. Frog. Oh, good job. First grade. Grade 1. Miguel, look at me. Good job. Snack. Bye, baby. Mura jud asa mo adto ay. Mo park lang di ay. Yeah, sure.
We can fake and roll.
You're eating, Miguel. You're eating. Miguel, say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Hello. Uy! Man.
Aras gado kayo.
Si Matot ilalong ba?
Imo, ano kayo mong anak? Isukayo si mama.
Nagpabot siya.
Paano magod ka mag-swim? Ano, okay na sila video okay na.
DJ!
What is it though?
It's all mine.
Show me. It's mine. Yeah, it's yours. That's a cover, I think. That's a cap.
Cap?
I think so. Good job, Kuya. Miguel!
I don't want to go in.
Ayaw daw, ayaw daw. Ambak-ambak man ka na. Di gani mahadlok ba? What? Oh, papaisa kaila pa. Go. Go, Andre. Go, Andre. Go, Andre. Okay, Lana, let's go. Go. Miguel, let's go. Musaka daw siya dito.
You want to go up here?
Oh, yeah. Kita lang, di lang takap.
Yes, Andre. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, smile. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Say, I like that, Miguel. Miguel! Ay, naku. Wow, airplane. Wow, santol. Wow, luya. Mano. Wow, may Marcus, look, banana tree. So cute. Durian. And a mama eagle. It's a baby eagle and a mama eagle, Miguel. The biggest ever. Yay! Mantay. Padlawon tayo dito, no? Ay, ang buntag sa'yo. Down. Careful, ha? Be careful with the rambutan. Ah, you don't love me anymore? Yes, please. No, we're not going to playground. Because we have to pack things right away.
In airplane
Yes, to get home.
at home.
Yeah? To see Daddy.
See daddy.
Yeah. Prutas nga, way prutas.
Where is your mom? Where is your mom? Where is your nanay Banji? My grandma. Where is my grandma? Your grandma. Oh, no, grandma.
That's our airplane. It's here.